Now you will ask, why did you write A here? So the idea is that on Google Colab, if you write a single variable or something alone, what it does, it calls a function called print with the variable inside of it. So the print, what it does, it outputs to the user the value inside these two brackets, inside these two parentheses. So it will show us the value of A. Pretty simple, and you just learn what print does. So, really interesting. Let's do something interesting. Hello, friend. Let's print to the user the string hello friend. So what you want to do is use this double marks and write text inside of it. Let's run this. Hello, friend. And I just forgot. How can you run the Google Colab code? What you need to do is press this button to run it, or else you can use Shift Enter. But in order to use Shift Enter, you need to select the box you want to run. Just single click and Shift Enter. Boom, hello friend. So this is how you run some code on Google Colab. Pretty simple, right?